This fruit is a Cempedak, and today I'm going to show you how to cut open a Cempedak. Of course, there are many ways to do this, but today I'm going to show you, if you've ever seen when people hold it like from this stick here and it's hanging down. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. So then we just remove the hat. Now that I've cut along here and here, all the way around the bottom, I'm just going to peel it open. Now this Cempedak is a little bit overripe, but because I'm using it to make a cake, that's okay. So I'm just gonna run my fingers along and pull up the edge. Hold on. Now, I'm going to peel it back. Just like that. Yep. This is amazing. Beautiful. Now we're going to keep this part of the Cempedak because I'm going to make something called mandai. Mandai, I hope I'm saying that right, and it's like a fermented dish with the skin of the Cempedak. Beautiful. I love that. So now you probably see a lot of Cempedaks are served just like this, so you can just like take a piece of the fruit now and enjoy it. But as what we're going to do is we're going to continue to peel the fruit so I can hold it like this. Similar to the other one, I'm just going to run my fingers along here and peel this part back. This part is a little harder to do. Starting from the top, I'm going to peel it back. You just want to, it's best to do it from the edges so that you don't accidentally peel the pieces of fruit away with the skin. Okay, and then we'll gently pull. Beautiful. So again, I mean, this part's gone off, so I'm not going to use that. The rest, I'm going to make mandai with. Just put that over there. And there you have it. That's how you peel a Cempedak. That's a skill that I never thought I would have. Now you can just pluck the pieces away and enjoy the juicy flesh.